Was this anywhere like what you experienced? What were you were expecting?
Well, expecting, we really have never camped before, so we really didn't know what to expect. But having stayed in like tents before, but very luxurious ones, we were uh, clueless of how this rustic camping would be like. But yeah, it's been very exciting, especially the poop tents and the poop mechanism, which is, by the way, cleaner than any of the toilets anywhere publicly that we use. But yes, it has been an exciting experience, and I think most of our friends had a superb time. And
Yesterday's
the ones,
experience?
the morning when I missed, because
Yeah.
I didn't come.
The evening
The
drive?
evening one, oh my god, the evening one, the location was beautiful. And as Ravi had mentioned, though I have never been to the African savannas, but I've seen the videos on the National Geographic, it was really as close as that. And the location was just beautiful. And then the setup that was done with the music and the tea and stuff there, and it was brilliant. Very, very beautiful. We had a great time.
Would you advise other families to try something like this?
Well, absolutely. My brother and very close couple friend, they were here from the US, and they actually said that let's do every New Year this way, because this has been like really, really good.
You think
And
it's
my
a learning
brother-
experience for the children?
Yes. So most of the kids didn't even feel the need to look out for engagements.
Yes.
They were just on their own, and they were so happy and free. And I think now we're gonna have a tough time putting them back in the boxes once we get back home.
Do you think they miss their electronics?
No, not at all. I mean, none of them came asking for their gadgets. So yeah, it was a complete disconnect. I haven't even seen my phone except to click pictures, and I didn't really miss. In fact, it's liberating to have not to bother that what calls am I missing or what messages are we missing. Brilliant. I mean, this I would gladly stay on a few more days.
Did you what made you think that your guests would enjoy something like this?
Well, honestly, we didn't think much about the guests. We just thought that we enjoy things. And Amit has been an off-roader. He likes to, and he's done his safaris and stuff like that. So something that we thought that we are gonna really enjoy, and we can extend that experience with our close friends on this birthday. So we just thought about that. In fact, a few friends, I was really skeptical as to how would they be in this kind of a setup. Not only the loos and stuff, even the drives, but they've not missed one drive out of all. So they really enjoyed, and they really, really had a great time.